Yeah.
Your ID number last
Thank you.
ID number last 4 digit.
4 digit.
Thank you.
Okay, done? No need to sign? Thank you. Okay guys, so finally I received something which I am waiting from long time. Okay, so let me show you what I have ordered today. Where to start this? Okay, this one is bracket. Actually, they give separate Akrapovic sticker and it's quite heavy. I thought it's lightweight, but it's really heavy. Wait me a minute. So still inside is DB color. Later I will check both with or without DB color sound. Okay, so let's go. Let me fix this first and then we will check the sound. So we have this piece of pipe, stainless steel. Later we will cut and make a shape to adjust here. finally silencer is done. Time to go and check the sound. Let's go on a test ride now. Oh, it's too loud. It's different feelings, too loud sound. Performance wise, I don't see any change. Still it's same. I don't think so need diagnose or anything after I change the selection. We still have same performance wise, pickup, everything. Riding on 40, 30 it sounds like you're already going on 100 plus. But I am scared of police because this one is considered as illegal already. I don't think so it's allowed. Maybe I will use the debiggler. I will try to use the debiggler also, and will test drive after debiggler. I think let's go and check the debiggler. We already checked the sound without debiggler. It's time to check with debiggler. And please let me know which one you like, so that I will just follow the same. For me, without debiggler, obviously is no one likes the debiggler, but the only problem is it's too loud, illegal in Malaysia and most of the countries, so you cannot use too loud sound. So now it's still okay, I guess. With debiggler also I feel it's loud enough. Just without debiggler, the bass is really high. It's not just loud with bass. It is still loud, but without bass. Oh, so good. Obviously, compared to the original, this one is much better.